Hi everyone, this is Siddharthullah. Today is the second session of our Judicial Academy and Legal Clinic. In the first session, we have discussed about our Legal Clinic introduction, Judicial Academy introduction. Then we have discussed about trial court practice, what we do in the Legal Clinic, and what are the competitions we are going to learn. And then we have discussed about prelims paper in the judicial examination, mains papers 1, 2, and the translation essay writing, mock tests, mock interviews. Then we have also discussed about important note, which is dedication, patience, focus, motivation, hard work, and consistency. So in the last session, I've discussed entire things, how we work. Now, today is the second session in which we will discuss about the pattern of the examination for prelims and written examination. Going to the second slide, what is the syllabus? Now, coming to the syllabus part, this screenshot has been taken from the official web notification, which was downloaded from the official website of the AP High Court and the Telangana High Court. Now, syllabus for screening test and written examination is, we have 12 subjects in civil laws and 9 subjects in the criminal laws. We have CPC, Code of Civil Procedure, Indian Contract Act, Hindu Marriage Act, the Hindu Succession Act, Indian Easements Act, Specific Relief Act, Limitation Act, Transfer of Property Act, Civil Rules of Practice, Registration Act, and Indian Stamps Act, AP Land Encroachment Act, the Indian Evidence Act in the civil laws. Coming to the criminal laws, Code of Criminal Procedure, IPC, but now it is BNSS and BNS and BSA, Indian Evidence Act, NI Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Criminal Rules of Practice, AP Excise Act, AP Gaming Act, and Juvenile Justice Act 2015. This syllabus is with regard to Andhra Pradesh judicial examinations and other competitive exams. But today we have to coming to the Telangana state. In Telangana state, we have some more added subjects, which are statewide laws. We can find it where the Commercial Courts Act, Indian Succession Act, laws on Hindu adoption, guardians and maintenance, Legal Services Authority, Telangana Land Encroachment, Telangana Building Lease Control Act 1916, the civil laws, and the criminal laws, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, and forest laws, POXO offences, and many more. In these two syllabuses of Telangana and Andhra have been taken from the 2025 notification. For the 2026 notification, the syllabus is yet to be released by both the high courts of Telangana and Andhra. So, next, coming to these subjects, we have 3-year practice rule before getting eligibility. We have 3-year practice rule, which was recently decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in All India Judges Association and others versus Union of India and others. Judgment was pronounced on 20th May of 2025. It is a reportable judgment 2025 NSC 735 2025 5 SCR 1070. Quorum was the Honorable Chief Justice of India BVR Gawai Ji, Augustine George Massey Sir, Justice, and KV Chandran, Justice. What I am only citing the relevant part of the judgment, which is for appearing in the judicial examination, Andhra and Telangana. So, what was the direction? Direction was para number 89 subpara 7, which is relevant for this session. All high courts and state governments shall amend service rules so that candidates for civil judge junior division must have practice for a minimum of 3 years to be eligible. This must be certified by the principal judicial officer or an advocate of 10 years plus standing, duly endorsed. Experience gained as law clerks to judges, judicial officers shall also count toward the total years of practice. Selected candidates must undergo at least 1 year of training before presiding in a court. And the next para, subpara 8 of the 89, the years of practice shall be calculated from the date of provisional enrollment registration with the concerned State Bar Council. This only extracted para, the full para can be seen in the judgment given in this citation. So we have this rule, this will be applied in the upcoming judicial examination. Coming to the notification part of 2025, what are the vacancies? How many vacancies were there? In High Court of Andhra Pradesh, notification recruitment, the Andhra Pradesh Judicial Service vacancy position in the cadre of Civil Judges Junior Division for the year 2025. Notification dated to 2nd January 2025. There were 50 vacancies, out of which direct recruitment of 40 vacancies, recruitment by transfer were 10 vacancies in the year 2025, and that was now just a brief to the notification. In the Telangana, we have this 66 total vacancies in different categories of reservation, including there were 66 vacancies under the direct recruitment and there were 28 posts under recruitment by transfer. And I hope you all know about what is the direct recruitment and the recruitment by transfer. Next, we'll go to the notification of 2026 in the Andhra Pradesh state and the Telangana. Firstly, we will see 8/5/2026. So, in the month of May 2026, the High Court of Andhra Pradesh has issued a notification of vacancies for the year 2026 are direct recruitment 96, recruitment by transfer 23, totaling to 119 vacancies are there. But earlier to this, there were another notification issued in the month of February that was revised later on, which is 8/5/26. Earlier it was issued total vacancies of 27. So under present notification we have 119 vacancies, and it is a good opportunity for the lawyers who is having 3 years of practice. And there are certain exemptions to this notification of 2025, and it may be carried out in 2026 as well. Before going this, we'll have to go through all the entire notification of 2025 and 2026 which is pending. 2025 and of Telangana and Andhra, we have to go through the entire notification. What is the entire pattern? I'm just discussing here what are the vacancies and the these subjects syllabus. There is detailed pattern which was notified in the notification. I will send the detailed notification to the email if I get any suggestions through email. So, coming to the 2026 notification of Telangana judicial examination notification. Telangana State Judicial Service vacancy position in the cadre of Civil Judges Junior Division for the year 2026 notified. It is by hereby informed that there are nil vacancies in the category of civil judges, junior division, for notifying under direct recruitment and recruitment by transfer for the year 2026 in terms of Telangana State Judicial Service and Cadre Rules 2023. Coming to this notification, we might, in the upcoming months, we might get updates by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh through recruitment registrar. But coming to Andhra Pradesh, we have 119 vacancies, out of which 96 are direct recruitment. So in these categories, it is a good opportunity for the lawyers in the Andhra Pradesh and other states, but it will be issued, detailed notification will be issued by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh in upcoming months. We will wait for the notification so that we can discuss in detail what are the whether any subjects are added in the upcoming notifications, and we will also discuss pattern of the examination, how it will be next. Coming to the next part. So this is today's session will be concluded here. We have discussed only with regard to subjects. What are the subjects in the civil laws and criminals in both states, in the Telangana and Andhra. So we will soon be starting classes in the next sessions, because this second session is only with regard to subjects as discussed earlier. And now we have discussed about pattern of the judicial examination in the Telangana state and Andhra state, which are, I have discussed the subjects, what are the syllabus in the written examination and the prelims examination. These are the subjects will be covered, and question papers formats also I'll soon release old question papers of prelims, and we will discuss question one by one, and we'll learn things in the upcoming sessions, and I will start soon. So again, send me any suggestions or clarifications needed to my official email. Thank you.